Hello everyone, welcome to Crash Chronicles, where we showcase 55 incredible moments on the road that you won't believe. Turn on the best sound for the ultimate viewing experience. Let's go.
Oh my.
It seems that the opposite car was driving in the wrong lane and caused a collision with the opposite car at high speed. A Jeep suddenly overtook the car, causing it to lose control and lose balance, causing the car to flip over. Which car do you think was at fault in this case?
Down to do insurance. I think he just I think told him I'm just gonna.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Whoa!
A BMW driven by a woman suddenly had an accident and collided with a barrier.
Hi. Oh my
He
god.
was just not paying attention and he just crashed.
It seems that the driver in the Lexus did not see the car behind and caused the collision. Luckily, everyone was fine. A distracted driver drove into a plastic water tank, causing the car to lose control and cause an accident on the highway. What happened to those two cars? The idiot in the white car ran a red light at high speed and collided head-on with the oncoming car. Perhaps the sudden steering caused the car to lose control and cause an accident. Do you think the pickup truck was at fault in this case? I cannot understand the stupid driving of this driver. Look both in front and behind before crossing the road to avoid trouble. A stupid car driver collided with a truck on the freeway at night while trying to cross the road and get ahead. Everything happened so suddenly that the driver could not avoid the car in front. Which car do you think should be held responsible for this collision? A car lost control for unknown reasons and ran out of the lane and rolled several times on the grass. A Honda rear-end collision caused by a distracted driver. Both cars were totaled. A stupid car driver ran a red light too quickly and caused a collision at an intersection in Texas. He will have to pay a large sum of money and be responsible to the police for his mistake. What was that car trying to do on the road? You should have looked carefully at both lanes and made sure both sides were clear before crossing the road.
Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Got that all.
Both drivers probably had their vision blocked, so they didn't know the other was there, and the collision occurred. This is probably the most stupid collision I've ever seen. That's it for this episode of Idiots in Cars. We hope you enjoyed the ride. Which clip shocked you the most? Have you ever witnessed something crazier? Let us know in the comments below.